what's up guys, Andy here. So a few months ago, I built a computer. Nerd, I know, right? On this computer that I built, it's a 2 terabyte storage space. It is 16 gigabytes of RAM and a quad-core processor. The operating system runs off of an SSD and I'm using Windows 10 as the operating system. What we're doing today is we're going to be upgrading my current AMD Phenom 2 X4 processor into a AMD FX 8320 octa-core processor, and we're installing this new motherboard. We're also going to be installing a liquid cooler for the AMD processor along with a 700 watt power supply. Alrighty, I'll see you guys on the flip side. Bye! Hey guys, welcome back. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me and my friend Timmy just going at it with this computer and trying to get everything we can, unscrewing things. Make sure you guys go check out my other videos. Link will be down below to my most recent run, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!